Yes, it's true. I'm still here in Afghanistan. I'm at Bath right now. Been here for I don't know how many days. You know what I'm talking about? Trying to get a flight out of here. It's not as easy as you think. But I got like 30 days left over here. Then I'll be back in the country, in the good old US of A, doing my thing for the summer. You did. Chevy riding high. Boy, of course. That's me. FBGM, big ups to my peoples. Holla at my man Twans, Dion, you know what I mean? LD, Top Cat, you know, Wanji, congratulations on the new birth kid. Other than that, sending shouts out, 50/50 Entertainment, Aaron Beats, my man Trey Beats, banging over there, going hard. He done linked up with the kid. You know what I'm talking about, Grits. Nigga was hotter than Grits. You tell me. But that's about it, man. I'm chilling. Send a shout out to Kaylin, Jacob, and Day Day. What's good with y'all? I'll be there in a minute. Chevy riding high.